welcome to your own channel, Data Science 24/7. Hi everyone, this is Abhishek. Today I'm gonna discuss how you can plot a bar chart, line chart, and combination of two charts. So it's a lot easier than you think. Let me open up my Excel sheet and start doing this. So first of all, we are going to consider this table only. So as usual, select whole data. So in the first column, we have year, that is time series, and sales in the second column. So as it is a time series data, we need to derive insights with the help of its trend, seasonality index, and so on. And that is why we are going to plot one line chart. So first of all, select all data, then we can go to insert. And the easiest way to make a line chart is to go on a recommended chart. So the first chart that we can see here is the line chart. But apart from this, we have another method also. Let's go back to insert. Then there are multiple options, and out of this, we can have a look at insert line chart. Click on this. Then there will be multiple options: 2D line, 3D line. The line that I am going to choose is 2D line. Now here you can see is this is not what we want. We want year horizontal in a horizontal axis and sales in a y axis. So let's right click, go to select data, chart range we have. Then we do not want this year, so remove this. And in horizontal axis, we do not want this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is coming automatically. So instead of in horizontal axis, what we want is year. So let's go click on this edit option. So it is a axis labels. What we can do here is we can select the range of our horizontal axis. This is how we select the data. Then go to OK. Now the data sources proper the whole data. Then legend entries is sales, and in horizontal axis what we have is year. Let's click OK. So here is what we have: line chart, where in horizontal axis we have time, and in vertical axis we have sales. Okay, now let's go to this plus option. So in this plus option we have chart elements, where we can tick untick the axis whether we need access or not. Then there is access title. So sometimes I require access title. Then sometimes if we do not need chart title, we can untick this. Similarly, data labels, data tables, like this. Then if we do not want grid line, these lines are grid lines. So we can untick this. Legends are just a KPIs. So we want legends. So let's untick data label also, and access title also, because we know what we have. It is properly showing that it is a time series data, and horizontal axis we have here, and in the vertical axis, as the chart title is saying, it's a sales. So apart from this guys, we can click on this brush, when we can change the style of the chart. We have different styles, multiple styles we have, so we can change as per our requirement. Apart from this, we can change the color of our line chart or any chart with the help of this. So let's keep it gray. Yeah. So this is line chart. Next table we are going to consider is this one. Here in the first column we have year and the second column we have inflation. So okay, and now we are going to make a bar plot. So let's go back to insert. Again we can click on the recommended chart. The second chart that I am looking at is the only chart that we are looking for. So it is a bar chart. So guys, clicking on recommended charts is the like easiest way to make any graph. I'm telling you another method. Let's go to insert. Then in this multiple option, you can have a look in this like column charts. So bar charts are also known as column chart. So there are multiple options: 2D column, 3D column. I'm clicking on 2D column. So as before, let's right click, go on select data, then chart data range. You can see it is the complete table is there. In legend entries we do not want this here. Instead we want here in our horizontal axis, but here it is coming 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as before, like in line chart also it was coming. So let's edit. So it is our toolbox where we can select the range for our horizontal axis. Now we can click OK. Now we can have a look like one variable is in legend, one variable is in horizontal axis, the whole chart data source is there. Now we can click on OK. So this is our required bar graph. So we can have a look like maximum inflation rate was in 2020, minimum was in 1718. So like this we can infer our insights. And here also let's click on this plus symbol and we can apply access title, data labels as per our requirement. So yeah, suppose we want data labels, and then clicking on this brush we can change the style of our graph. Suppose if it is looking fine, you can click on this. If you want to change the color of the bars, yeah, suppose it is looking nice. So this is our bar graph. So the third data or third table that we have is contains two variables. Like there is in the first column there is an year, second column we have inflation, and in the third column we have sales too. So in just one graph we need to show two variables attached to one variable, that is time. So again let's select all the data, again go back to insert, then go to recommended charts. So in this multiple options you can see that it is not showing what we want. So we can move to all charts. So there is recommended charts, all charts option. Then in this all chart option we have line, pie, bar, area, multiple options. So we need to go to combo because we are going to have a combination of two graphs. So in inflation, it is correct. We want column chart, and sales we want line chart. But sales we want to show in a primary axis. Inflation we want to show in a secondary axis. So let's click on this option. It is an option to so you need to click in front of the variable you want to show in a secondary axis. Yeah. So let's click OK. So this is the required combination chart. So again, with the help of this plus option, you can manipulate this chart elements. And if you do not want this chart title, just click on this. If you want, just click. Suppose it is sales and inflation. And apart from this, you can change the style using this brush, and you can change the color also. Yeah, so this is the required combination chart, where in the primary axis we are showing the sales year wise, and whereas in the secondary axis we are showing inflation percentage of the country. So this is the required inflation rate, combination chart. So actually these are the charts that are heavily used in data science while doing EDA, while understanding our data. So yeah, so this is all I have for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If it is so, then please give thumbs up. If you want to learn similar skills in future, hit that subscribe button. And that is all I have for today. See you next time. Bye bye.